Have a long video but only need a specific part of it? Simply trim the video and save the exact section you want to keep. Whether you're editing gameplay footage, tutorials, or personal recordings, this tool makes it easy to cut videos down to the exact sections you want to keep. Here's the steps on how to trim videos using Video Cutter. Step 1. Upload the long video. I will upload a 30-second video and trim it down to 7 seconds. Next, set the start and end points to keep the section you need. Step 3. Choose your preferred output format. Step 4. Start the cutting process. Step 5. Preview the cut video. Step 6. Start to download the file, copy the download link, or edit again. That's it! Your trimmed video is now ready. Ready to trim your videos with ease? Visit the Video Cutter and start removing unwanted footage in seconds. Cut smarter, save time, and create cleaner videos today.